Hey folks, this is Eric from 1HD Biz, and today I'd like to do a quick video update on the Homatics Home Click sound system. Some folks on the Homatics beta test group on Telegram, well, they think that the Dolby Atmos channels don't actually work. There's no discrete sound coming to the height speakers. So I think we can prove them wrong. I have here the default H player. Let's open that one. And as you can see, I have many test videos. I've downloaded a Dolby Atmos quick sound check done by a professional sound technician. Let's open that. Play it. Let's bring the volume up. You can see each individual channel on screen playing. That's the sub right now playing.
Center, left, right, front height left, front height right, left surround, right surround, rear height left, rear height right, rear left surround, rear right surround.
Okay, these are now just noise checks. Anyway, you can actually hear each discrete channel playing. And yes, there is a difference between this speaker and this pre-speaker. This is the rear right. This is the rear right height. And each one of them was playing individually. Now, I don't think you can test any better than that. So there you go, folks. Dolby Atmos does actually work. Cheers.